Hey girl, hey, your girl is on it. Okay, I am on it, y'all. I'm over here. I got some good and interesting videos. I hope I'm motivating y'all. Are you feeling motivated? Are you feeling motivated? By your girl Tiana, child. Tiana's over here doing her thing, child. Child, I'm doing my thing. Can't tell me nothing, child. Can't tell me nothing. Let's get into this video. Y'all don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the like button, and let me show y'all what I got going on here today. Alrighty, y'all. So today we got quite a bit going on. I'm over here about to pressure can up some breakfast sausage. We're gonna be pressure canning the breakfast sausage. So instead of pressure canning the breakfast sausage like it is, I'm going to I'm going to break them up like hamburger meat. Because me, I don't know about y'all, but me personally, if I cook spaghetti, sometimes I like to add grounded up sausage in it. If I make shepherd's pie, I like to add sausage to it sometimes. If I make queso dip, sometimes I like to use the sausage. If I make grits in the morning, I'll make a patty sausage, but I still break my sausage down to a crumble. So we finna can up some breakfast sausage so we can have that in our long-term storage. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead on and get into it because we ain't got no time to be wasting. I'm finna go ahead on and get this ground beef on. These sausage patties on the stove. And I'm finna just break them down. So once I get that process done, I'll come back and show y'all what I got. All right, y'all. So for the sausage, you wanna work with hot pack. So you're gonna warm your jars. That means that you wanna work with a hot jars, hot canner, hot liquid to hot pack jars. And so I'm gonna take my jars and we're gonna put them in the oven on 170, or the lowest your oven will go. I'm working with a gas stove, so on the lowest your stove will go for supposed to be 10 minutes, but I'm doing 20 minutes just to be on the safe side. Now, like I said, in your canner you need hot water. Start with hot water to do the hot pack. So in my canner, I need 8 cups of water for it to be enough for my, what is it? I got a T-Fal, is it a 22 quart? I think it's 22 quart T-Fal canner. But I know I need 8 cups of water for it to be enough water for my canner. So I've already checked my lid and my jars and everything is already sterilized. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on the back, let that there warm. Start getting hot until I'm ready for it. And the canner comes with 2 of these. It comes with 2 of these. So you want to make sure that you put 1 of these in the bottom layer of the canner. And if you have to double stack your jars, you put this in between the jars to stack a second layer. All right, so now, just in case I may forget, I'm gonna go ahead on and add some vinegar to my water in the canner. That keeps my jars from being all cloudy on the outside and stuff. So, cause I have hard water. So I'm gonna put me some vinegar down in the water, just in case I forget. All right. And you also gonna need you some vinegar when it's time to start cleaning your jars. So make sure you have you some vinegar on the side for that time too. Alrighty, y'all. So we about to can up the sausage. The jars stay warm. I was waiting. It's getting late now, so I'm just gonna go ahead on and get them on up out of there. Because I was letting them go 20 minutes, but we only got a minute left, so they hot enough. They're hot. Alright, so got my broth over here. So hopefully working with hot broth, hot jars, hot meat, hot kettle. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get the meat, and we're gonna load it up into jars. And you want to leave 1 inch head space. That's the line, the bottom line on the jar. I don't think I'm gonna get that many jars. Yeah, run with Keita real quick. Huh? I do. I'm just not putting the stuff in these jars. I'm coming though. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna take I mixed up me a chicken broth instead of just using water, because I didn't want to dilute, like take away from the flavor of the sausage. So I mixed up me some chicken broth, y'all, to add to my sausage, because we need a liquid up in there. So we're gonna fill this here to 1 inch head space, and like I said, the 1 inch is that last rim on the jar, bottom rim. And then we're gonna debubble this here. And if we lost any head space, then we're gonna put some liquid back in there to make up for what we lost. So I only got 5 of them, but it's okay, honey. 5 is better than none at all, right? I was gonna cook some more so I can have 7, but it's okay. And make sure you strain the oil off of your sausage. So now we're going to debubble, get all the air out of it, and if I lost anything, then we want to add some liquid back. And so far I can tell I done lost just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to add back what we lost, which ain't much. Okay. And I don't be knowing how much liquid to make up. I just make up some. Okay, so now we're going to take our vinegar, clean the rims off, to get rid of any oil that's on the rims. So now we're gonna get our lids. Remember, hot lids, hot jars, hot liquid, hot canner. And when you're picking up your lids, be careful because sometimes you might pick up 2 lids instead of 1. And you want only just 1 lid. So you don't want, make sure you ain't doubling them up. Okay? So now we're gonna take our rings, put them on, fingertip tight. And we about ready to load these on into the counter. Ain't no about ready, we is ready. And I'm gonna do this on 11 pounds of pressure for 75 minutes because I'm using pint-sized jars. So if I have any siphoning, I hope they seal. They're gonna seal though. We've been doing good so far, y'all. So now I'm about to load these right into my canner. I only got 5, but it's okay. And that's what we got right there. Okay, so we got all those in there. So now I have already inspected my lid to make sure it's good. So we're gonna get our lid on, and then I'm gonna set my timer for 75 minutes, and then we're gonna let this pressure can till it's done, and that's it for that. So I'll be back when it's finished. Alrighty, y'all, so the time is up on the sausage. I don't turn the time off, so we're about to turn the eye off and let the pressure come down to 0. And when it comes down to 0, we're gonna turn it to steam to make sure all the pressure is out of it. And then we can take the jars out. Take the jars out. Been doing our thing, y'all. Alright, so I'll come back and let y'all see what it look like. Alrighty, y'all, so it done came down to 0. Put it on steam to make sure wasn't nothing else up in there. And we're about to take this lid off. And I'm gonna lift it off with the lid away from my face. Okay? I try to be careful, child, because honey. Look at all that steam. See, that's why we're trying to be careful. So let's see what's going on with the sausages. Look like the jar is already unsealed. Look at that. Look up there, y'all. Look at that. We didn't have no siphoning this time. see it, it's still a little raised. But that one ain't filled either. Yeah, that one ain't filled, and this one, so we got two that need to fill. And that's it. So that's it for the sausages, y'all. For the Kenny. Successful. It's them two jars sealed. It was a successful Kenny. I'm getting used to this. I ain't used to this no more, y'all. I'm doing this. Hey, can't tell me nothing. You better go on, girl. You better go on. So that's what they look like close up. And I think I did a pretty good job. Long as those lids pop, we did a good job. So that's it, y'all, for the canning of the sausages. Don't forget to hit that like button. Ring the doorbell is what I like to call it. Till the next one, it's your girl Tiana. Y'all be blessed, and I am out. Y'all, no siphoning though this time though. That's just water sitting up on top. Look like. Yeah, that's just water. No siphon.